Can we reinforce double doors or French doors using these methods to significantly improve their security? Start by selecting heavy-duty flush bolts for the inactive leaf and fit them into deep milled pockets in the top and bottom rails so the bolts fully enter the header and threshold jambs. Use a center punch to mark hole locations, drill pilot holes, and chisel clean mortises for a snug, rattle-free fit. Add reinforcement plates at the strike points on both leaves and double up plates where the meeting rail closes so the latch and bolt contact more metal surface. Choose plates that extend at least 6 inches above and below the strike for better load distribution. Secure the meeting rail with continuous steel reinforcing bars behind the stile and rail joints if possible, bonding with structural adhesive and through bolting where the door type permits to stop prying at the seam. Consider a horizontal bar or crossbar that mounts to the frame and braces across both leaves when the doors are closed, and use a keyed or internal locking sleeve so the bar can stay engaged without visible hardware. Upgrade hinges to 3-inch heavy-duty hinges with non-removable pins and install hinge reinforcement plates that wrap into the jamb. Where the hinge leaf screws anchor into hollow or soft wood, install threaded through bolts or use long carriage bolts that penetrate into backing blocks. If the doors have glass panels, fit laminated security glass or apply a high-quality security film and install interior glazing beads that are mechanically fastened rather than pinned to stop quick glass removal. Common mistakes include relying solely on a single deadbolt on one leaf, which lets an attacker pry the inactive leaf open, so fit flush bolts and a hardened interleaf lock. People often install short or thin strike plates that pull out under force, so replace them with extended reinforcement plates and use long wood screws or through bolts into the framing. Another issue is weak jambs and thresholds that are not reinforced. Shore these up with jamb reinforcement kits, add header and threshold backing plates, and ensure screws anchor into framing rather than just trim. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can implement these double door and French door reinforcement solutions and help choose the right hardware for each door type. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, installation tips, and product recommendations so we can learn from each other.